Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Silverado Company purchased equipment having an invoice price of $21,100. The terms of sale were 4 by 10 and by 30 and Silverado paid within the discount period. In addition, Silverado paid a $155 delivery charge, $225 installation charge and $947 sales tax. The amount recorded as the cost of this equipment is option A $21,583, option B $20,636, option C $22,427, option D $21,480. Correct answer is option C $22,427. The cost of the equipment includes the invoice price and any additional charges associated with the acquisition of the equipment and any applicable taxes. In this case, the cost of the equipment for Silverado Company is $22,427, which is calculated as follows: invoice price $21,100, delivery charge $155, installation charge $225, sales tax $947. Total cost equal $21,100 plus $155 plus $225 plus $947 equal $22,427.
So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.